hello, if anybody's here. Maybe one person. Cool. Hello. So far we have one viewer, but that's fine. We can do private session. Hello, hello. I'm just preparing this stream a little bit. If you can hear me or see me, please let me know in chat. That's super nice because it was a long time since I did any streaming. OBS is giving me crap. Sad. I'm trying to put Ask Me Anything in chat for all newcomers so I don't have to repeat myself every few seconds. It seems that adding text is not really working. Oh, nice. Hello, how are you? It would be cool if we could all like stream together and like talk. Maybe next time I can do like a proper workshop so we can all use videos and talk. Do you have any design questions or let's say career development questions? And this totally has whiskey inside. I wonder if this text is visible. I guess not. Well, it's a little bit boring if we don't have a conversation. Ask me stuff. It's your chance now. Usually you need to pay for that, but today I'm in the mood. Still no questions. That's alright. Maybe I can work on my side project while we wait, if somebody's brave enough to ask a question. Let's see. Stupid idea. Now I can't see if anybody's chatting. Lol. Okay, there is chat. Let me go back to me. How much visual design skills is needed for UX UI designer? Well, actually quite a lot, because when you are UX and UI, that means that you're handling user experience, so you need to be good at research and blah 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 blah. And also UI, so you really need to know a lot about typography, like visual principles, colors, grids, spacings, and all this more or less fun stuff. Do you have any more, like, do you have um, something more specific that I can help with? Like, is there a reason you ask that? Are you trying to apply for a job and you're not sure if you're like a good candidate for them or something else? Should we put some music here? I think we should. There's a lot of routing to do, but luckily I have all the tools. Let's see, new virtual device. Chrome. Cool. Hi, how are you? All questions put in chat and then let's talk. Hola. I'm trying to figure out some music for us. I am just about to put something because it's like creepy and silent. There you go. Now let's put Do you like Eurovision? Let's put something fun. Okay, if this starts to blast, I will immediately like reduce the volume, so don't be scared. Okay. There you go. Can you hear the music? Well, I can't. I need to put some music for myself as well. Okay, let's see chat. Enough of... Hola, hola. Ask me questions. Now it's your chance. I'm not gonna stay here for way too long. I need to go some food shopping, but any design question, any career development question, I'm more than happy to answer. Now it's your time. What inspired me to actually do this was, I don't know, like in the last 4 weeks, I got tons of questions like how to apply for a job, what skills I need to have, how to start even with design, all these questions, how to basically switch career or start one. So I'm actually planning to do one video where I will share a freebie resume. It's gonna be in Figma community, and also I'm gonna talk how to apply, what to say in application letter and so forth, and how to present yourself, and also how to do your portfolio. Of course, this is all from my angle, so you can try it if you don't have much luck lately. Maybe it will help you. I know it helped me, so hopefully it will work for you as well. Let's see. To be honest, your content helped me a lot with my process. Definitely one of the under... thank you. That's so nice. Yeah. I'm super happy that it helped. I actually put like tons of effort in this, and not to mention how many thousands of euros I put into equipment. Oh my god, I will never return this. Um, and I'm happy that at least one person has some positive impact from my videos. I would love if I would have like more views, and I don't need much subscribers, but if reachability would be bigger, because I would really love to teach more people and do like workshops and like courses and la la la. But maybe one day. Uh, I'm okay with 3K subscribers for now. Let's see what happens. But hey, you know, if you think I'm underrated, like really share on social media. This is the, well, not the only way, but one of the best ways to spread the word. Any questions? Okay. Okay, I'm already a okay designer in a company, designing here sections and website. Right now, I feel like I'm creative and just hoping to find great idea to steal from. Okay, bye bye, Pahis. Okay, so you've, well, I would actually go back to, why do you feel uncreative? Is it something work related or some personal issue? Um, Maybe check that first. But then, if you struggle to find, like, if you struggle to produce proposals of these sections, well, just go to the internet and check what others have, and copy paste the screenshots to Figma, and then um, don't copy like 100%, but you know, get it inspired, like copy some stuff, mix and match, and so forth. This is what I do actually quite often at my job. Here and there, I have like unique ideas, but you know, it's also not good to reinvent the wheel too often. Okay, let's see. One more question. Design background is irrelevant. So Filane, graphic design skills are needed if you want to be a graphic designer or illustrator. But if you want to be UI designer, UX designer, UI UX, or product designer, then you need to learn some other skills. Aha. Slow chat, okay. Well, I was expecting like a horde of people coming, blasting questions, but apparently, like, um, this maybe time is not best for everybody. Let me fix this. Slow mode, let's not have. Oh, god damn it, I clicked cancel. Okay, slow mode is now gone. Now you can spam me as much as you can. So yeah, you need to decide, do you want to like create graphics, illustrations, maybe even something a little bit more, well, challenging is not the right word, but let's say challenging, like 3D design and animation. Then you need graphic skills. But for the things I teach about on my channel, you absolutely don't need a single piece of that. It's very different. You need to be very analytical. You need to know application patterns. You need to have eye for what's nice, what's not nice, but that's not graphic design skill. Anyone else? Should we invite people again to join? Not too many people joined. Let's invite people on Twitter, huh? You also share whoever is watching right now. Let's say streaming. No. I'm using Twitter, but like reach on Twitter is non-existent. Okay, invited people one more time. Okay, do companies, agencies in Europe hire freelance designers from countries like Indonesia? Yeah. Uh, well, it depends of the agency, of course, but yes, agencies do outsource a lot from other countries. Well, you just need to find one. But yeah, that's definitely a situation. And not only that, I mean, you can just work remotely for European company if you want, um, like remotely from wherever you are, which is my preferred way of working. Like freelancing always gives me like jitters and like horror, like nightmares. It's very unpredictable unless you're like a top star and then just income comes to you every month without even thinking about it. Do you struggle to find like companies in Europe that would hire you? Do you have any particular problem that I can help you with? Slow mode is not on. Spam away. Let's see if more people would come. I don't know what time frame would fit for most people, because for me right now it's like 9:18, which is like pretty late. It's soon my bedtime. More questions, more questions. Come on, come on. Ask something juicy. Yeah, it comes only from left because I have such setup. Let me see if I can make mono sound. Well, actually, I can. Let's call it mic mono. I have like a horribly complex audio setup on my computer. I will fix it now. Okay, now it should be from both sides. I fixed it. Shout out to Loopback from Rogue Amoeba. Excellent tool. More questions, more questions. Do you think it would be useful if I would like upload new video every week or at least every 2 weeks? Do you suggest doing masters in information science but building? Well, I mean, of course, college helps. That's undeniable. But I can tell you from my own experience, I do have college, but it's not so like product design related. It's actually fashion college, which I hated with passion, and I never wanted to do anything with that in my life. It was more like to get some extra knowledge about visual design and so on, while practicing drawing. But there are boot camps, there are ways to learn design at home quickly, and also building network is quite challenging. You know what? I totally understand where these questions are coming from. When I was living in Croatia, I didn't have network. For me, it was impossible to find a job, and I was just lost. I was just wasting my 20s, like working super crappy jobs. And it all changed when I moved to Finland. Like my career just like skyrocketed. So I'm like very strong advocate for, if your country does not work for you, move. I know that's not the best answer for everybody, but yeah. Um, but yeah, I mean, if you have financial capability and time, then go to school. That will equip you for being a designer. And of course, sheer networking that happens on college is invaluable. It will be for lifetime if you really put a little bit of effort into it. If on the other hand you want to do it quickly, then there are ways. You can get a couple of courses online. You really need to invest in yourself, because you can go fast and cheap. So some courses are really needed to nail, even some mentorship. But yeah, portfolio is also very important. Like, it has to have some case studies, and I have tips what to put when you don't have anything to put. So if you want to know, ask. How can I change perception of design at my company? Change company? No, I'm kidding. They don't know anything. Okay. Wow, that's like, I can see my first Finnish company with this question. So my suggestion is, make a presentation. What is your role and what are you doing, and what is your impact of the product you are working on? Like, literally make a presentation, invite people that you work with, like developers, I guess, and explain, this is what I do. I just wanted to put everyone on the same page. And it depends what you want to do with that presentation. Is the outcome so they would learn a bit more? Or is it to improve certain workflows with them so they would be better? But yeah, presentation, I'm serious. What kind of company is that, by the way? Is it like some startup, or, I don't know, oil company? Ask. If you don't ask, I'm gonna put more Eurovision on louder. Let's check Spanish song. That was cool. Oh yeah. But yeah, honestly, when it comes to perception of design, I was in a really horrible position in my first job in Finland. Like, people were looking at design as like suggestion or necessary evil. So I was fed up after a year and 8 months, I think, or something like that, and I just left the company. Sometimes leaving for a better job or different mindset, different culture is the only way to move forward. You can't fix everything in the world. Depends what's your situation. What? And they don't know anything about design? What do you mean? Tell me more. What? They should know everything about design. Man, Jesus. What's can you describe me one problem that you had that you were like, wow, these people, they don't know anything about design? I would really love to put, oh no, I'm drawing later, I can't, Jesus. I think I'm gonna chat with you, dear people, for next 5 minutes or so. I hope to see more people, to have heated, steamy conversation, to help people to find something, to do something. But I think workshop is maybe better way. Thanks a lot. Okay, if you don't have financial situation to go to college, really put time into that, there are ways. There are shit ton of YouTube tutorials, and here and there you can find some really good course on Udemy or somewhere. There are a lot of good blog posts. So that's actually quite a good video that I can do. How to become a product designer. I have such video, Jesus. Watch my video. I made a video how I became a product designer without school and like nothing, connections, anything. But maybe it's time to make like more curated like video, like actual steps. You need to learn this and this, then you're ready for this role, and then this, and then you're ready for this role and stuff like that. Yeah, that's interesting. I should totally do that. Of course, for free you can do anything in the world, but then it's the slowest path. Unfortunately. And we have the last person with me tonight. I think it's time to call it a day. Do you think whoever, this one person who stayed with me, I will let a little bit more time for maybe a question, and then I will have to go. Oh! 2 designers, and they put us into 2D artists. Well. Oh, we have 2 more. Okay, let's go one by one. Memo. 2D artist group. They think it's only about... Well, if it's game, I have to say it's all about the looks. Of course, menus, well, menus are not so complex as in usual apps, but that should also be made really good. I mean, if you don't like such mentality, I mean, gaming industry is very different when it comes to UI UX. Maybe that's not for you. If you really don't like, if you feel like you're only pixel pusher, then maybe some other type of work. I mean, I'm sorry if that's like too harsh, but I don't think it will change. Let's see. CC. I'm learning dashboard design. I'm building an extensive design system for database and subset. Well, I mean, what's the reason for it? So let me say this about design systems. Design systems are made because somebody has a need for them. You don't build them, I mean, you can build them for practice, just like random elements, sure. It's a good practice to learn how, for example, Figma works with certain things, get a little bit creative. I mean, if you want to learn, maybe you should challenge yourself, like check, I don't know which site is cool, check Facebook. I don't use it personally, but like open Facebook, take a few screenshots, like 5, 10 even, make a design system out of that. Now that's practice. It's very easy to come up with like very nice dashboards, like everything fits and looks really nice. Try a real example, and then you'll see what are the problems. But yeah, I would take screenshots of the actual site, recreate elements, pixel perfect, and make a design system from that. And explain to yourself, like, why did you do that? Like, can you recreate whole visuals using your design system? Take it as a challenge for homework. Oh, we have now 2 people. I guess my shopping might happen a little bit later or not. I'm actually a bit hungry. Wonder what should I eat? 10 more seconds for one more question, and then Antonia needs to eat to make more videos. Yeah, I'm just like rechecking this question. Well, thank you. I hope it was at least a little bit useful. I'm gonna skedaddle right now. Some food show. Wait. Another question. I can't go. Do you do mobile first? I can't do that first. No, I never did mobile first. I hate it, and some blog articles are even saying like desktop first, like are people actually doing that? No, I never ever in my life did mobile first. I think it's stupid and it's easier to reduce stuff than to put more on top. So yeah, I don't think that's a good approach. But of course, that's just my opinion. If you don't like it, don't do it. You can just make mobile version after you're done with desktop. I hope that was useful. Oh, I love that song from Eurovision. Well, okay. Um, it's only two people, but yes, exactly. Um, okay. I thank you everybody for joining today, talking a little bit. I hope that was a tiny bit useful. I had fun. It was better than the last time when I had massive technical issues. Um, and yeah, hopefully next time more people will join. So please share my YouTube channel because my reach is very limited and I don't know, like, man, I need help. Just like share a little bit more. Let's bring more people to my YouTube channel. Anyway, Chowski, and